Talo dito, dalawang sunod na pahinga ha. Okay, game. Okay, no good. 2 points. Score 0-2. Miguel. Bad pass, rebound by Enrico. To Arañas. Arañas, 2 points. Score 0-4. Okay, block. Arañas to Domingo. Domingo kung puwersa na wala. Good. Napaganda yung atras. Nice. Ang lakas pa. Pero wala pa rin. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. No good. Rebound by... No good. Pass pala yun. Same ball. Loose ball. Seconds to shoot. Check. Nice pass. Domingo, no good. Yun lang. Malakas pa. Time remaining 5 minutes 38 seconds. Sambua to Chen. Chen. Inipit. Chen. Wala. Rebound by Domingo. 10 seconds. Steal. Number 18. Ayaw nang tumira si Priano, no good to number 18. Nagkakahiyaan. No good. Okay. Lilista na ba? Lilista na nga. 2 points by number 18. Score 2-4. Check. Okay, 2 points. 2-6. Score 4-6. Okay. Time remaining 3 minutes 55 seconds. 8 to shoot. Long 2. Nakaapak. 4-8. Nice, number 20. 2 points. Ang ganda ng ikot. Score 6-8. Paalala ko, go team. May dalawang timeout. Wala po tayong first goal, ha? To Chen. Ang ganda. Hindi lang nasa loob. Ayaw yata ng libre. Number 20. Binigay kay number 5, Miguel. Miguel. Teardrop. Favorite shot is good. All 8. Number 17, Sambua, wala. Rebound by Arañas. Nice pass, steal by number 18. Wow! Number 18, 2 points. Okay, line violation. Hindi po nilabas, dito ang bola. Hindi nilabas. Kailangan po ilabas ang bola. Hindi po tayo G's 21. 2 minutes 35 seconds. Wala po tayong first ball, ha? Oy. Domingo. Nakuha ni Aranyas. Aranyas, 2 points. Back-to-back turnover. Score open. Miguel. No good. Rebound by Domingo. To Cheng. To Sambua. To number 0. To Cheng. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points. Score 10-13. Time remaining 2 minutes 35 seconds. No good. Nakuha pa ni Miguel. No good. Walang tawag sa Cipriano. Aranyas. To Domingo. Extra pass. No good. Rebound by number 18 to number 0. Nice pass, Cipriano, 2 points. Score 12-13. Ang gandang panoorin pag may mga unselfish play. Cheng. Sambua, no good. Nakuha ni Cheng. 10 seconds to shoot. No good pa sa kalayon. Domingo, easy 2. 12-15. No good by number 18, number Domingo. Pinasa kay Aranyas. Aranyas. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si number 0. No good. Extra pass, Miguel. Ang ganda nun. Ang lalim lang pero si Cipriano. Nice push back. 14-15. Time remaining 2 minutes 39 seconds. Wala, rebound by Aranyas. Aranyas ipapasa ba? O ide-diretso. Bad pass. Nakuha ni Sambua. Sambua. No good. Aranyas. Easy 2. 14-17. Number 5, Miguel. Miguel, teardrop is good. 16-17. Nagpapalitan ng score, pero naman pa rin ang team regular. Aranyas, 2 points sa hapa. 16-19. Tatlo ang kalamangan, 1 minute 30 seconds. Number 18. Ang ganda ng pasa. Cipriano. Nice shot. 18-19. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko na. Dos, tres. Dos? Okay. 18-21. Paalala ko may 8 seconds violation sa paglabas. No good. Number 17, Sambua. Sambua. Tumira. No good. To Aranyas. Sambua ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points by number 0. Last 37 seconds. Last 30 seconds. 5 lang ang hinahabol ng Team Miguel. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Nakuha ni number 8, number 20. No good pa rin. Number good. Last 12 seconds. Steal by Aranyas. Aranyas no good, pero may foul. 4 3.8 seconds to shoot. 3.8 seconds. Bigay na po agad ang bola. 3.8 seconds. No good. Okay. Wala, not counted. Score 18-23. Bola ng Team Miguel. Dito bola. Pwede na po pumasok. Change score. Score 18-23. Lima kalamangan ng Team Regulars.
Dito bola.
Okay yan. Limang kalamangan, both teams may dalawang pang timeout. Paalala ko lang walang first ball. Good. Number 0. Bad pass number 0 red. To Aranyas. Circus shot is good. 25-18. Miguel no good. Last touch by Cheng. Sambua, nagmamadali, hindi na kontrol ang bola. Tumigil si number 20, foul? Okay, foul po na daw, foul. Malakas na lang po ng tawag, ha? Walang first ball, ha? Miguel. Ten seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Oy, pintigan pa. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo. Pinasa kay Sambua. Extra pass. No good. Miguel. Eight seconds to shoot. Miguel, 2 points. 25-20. Time remaining 5 minutes 38 seconds. 2 points by number 0. Score 25-22. Wow! Grabe, sumabay ka pa! 27-22. Lima pa rin ang hinahabol ng Team Miguel. Miguel. Wala, rebound by Sambua. Ten seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. And okay, good. Na-release. Miguel. Miguel, no good. Nakuha ni Cheng. Domingo, 2 points. Munti ka pa. 28. Depende po. Minsan po, opo, minsan din. Okay. Score 24-31. Steal by Miguel. Libre na. Miguel, 2 points. 26-31. Grabe sipat. Munti ka na. Okay, Miguel. Miguel, wala. Rebound by Miguel, wala. Rebound by Cipriano. Cipriano, wala pa rin. Rebound by Sambua. Sayang. Domingo, nawala ang bola. Nakita Sambua. 2 points. 33-26. No good. 2 points Cipriano. 33-28, hindi makalagpas sa lima. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni Cheng. Cheng, 2 points. 35-28.
Hindi naman, pwede makimagsabi. Sasabi lang kayo sa akin. Okay.
Okay. Still by Cipriano. Yun lang. Okay, wait, substitution.
Time out.
Okay, time out. Team regular. Isa na lang ang time out, ha? 30 seconds lang yan. Time remaining 2 minutes 3 seconds. GK, step na kayo yung anim. Wala pa si Jel. Si Jel? Okay, back to the ball game.
Sino? Yung game. Titignan ko. Kailangan kasi titignan ko na yung line. Kasi nasa pala ito.
Puro ano yung small ball lang yun.
Sige, titignan ko.
Pag ilagay mo pa yung smallest ball na yun.
Sige, mamaya. Okay, game. Time remaining 2 minutes 3 seconds. Wala tayong first ball, ha? 10 seconds to shoot. Sambua, no good. Okay, kunin na. Time remaining 1 minute 50 seconds. Number 5, Miguel. Who made? No good by number 18. Number 18, isa pa. Number 18, wala. Number 20. Hoy! Galit yata ang ring. Yun lang. Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds. Isa na lang ang timeout ng regulars. Dalawa pa ang team, Miguel. Hoy! Akala ko talaga. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha pa rin. Iisa pa pa. Iisa pa. Wala pa rin talaga. Number 18. Okay, save. Wala tayong first ball. Munti ka na. Nice pick. Sinurmon. Wala pa rin. Parang naitampo ata yung ring na yun. Cipriano. Wala pa rin talaga. Barado yata kailangan bumayin yun. Okay, loose ball by Cheng. Last 44 seconds. Still. Kinaliwa pa 2 points. Last 34 seconds. Number 1. Pinasa kay number 18. Number 18, wala. Rebound by Sambua. Last 20 seconds. Bad pass. Last 14 seconds. seconds. 5.8 seconds. 5.8. 2 seconds. Okay. Score 39-28. Pre, bola. Punasan dito. Meron dyan.